Oh, hey. Okay, so something that's been on my mind, right? Creators create. Video creators create videos. That's as complicated as it needs to be, right? If you're a YouTuber, a streamer, an online content creator of any kind, it is so easy to get caught up in this like perfectionist loop, right? You're trying to create the perfect video, like, the perfect script, the perfect idea. And it's a lot of pressure sometimes. No matter where you are in your creator journey, sometimes it's okay to slow down a little bit. It's okay to just strip it down to the bare essentials. This is just me talking to you. Making content online for YouTube or for Instagram or whatever social platform that you happen to do it on, sometimes it feels like a soulless machine is basically taking your creation, putting a bunch of different labels on it, and then exporting it to all the people that it thinks that a machine wants it to see. The whole process can feel a little cold. I think you have to remember why you were doing it in the first place, though. And even though the topics are different now, I remember starting this channel thinking I wanted to show people cool things, and I wanted to share them, and I wanted to show other people how they can also make cool things. Just sharing cool videos to the internet. Chances are, if you're watching this, though, you're a creator of some kind as well. So, what was your reason for starting your channel? You know, part of that creative process is trying to get rid of this perfectionism poison, as I call it. On one hand, the actual level of competition that online content and online video provides is good in a lot of ways. A lot of times there are things in video that you're going to do that are going to make you feel super uncomfortable, especially as an introvert. But it's those things that are a little bit outside of your comfort zone. Those are the things that are going to help you grow as a person and as a content creator. Now the flip side to that is that like that level of analysis and comparison, that comparison trap that we often fall into as creators, is the actual poison. You spend so much time planning and trying to get all your resources together. You spend all this time trapped in the I'm going to do it phase, and then you never actually do it. It's analysis by paralysis. I am actually getting eaten alive by mosquitoes out here right now, so part of mastery is just practicing, like, getting better at something. And unless you have a God-given talent in video, it takes a lot of practice, because there's shooting, there's editing, there's writing, there's the skill of being a host. Like, there's a lot of things that go into being an online video creator. It can take a really long time to master all the skills that are involved, but the good news is, with that large volume of practice, you start to develop that ever-elusive style. Does having style make you like a cool guy or something? Because I'm trying to be like a little bit more of a cool guy. Like even today, I just threw out the rules of scripting and like normal video stuff. I'm like, I'm going to take the camera, I'm going to take the microphone, we're going into the woods, I'm going to write this, I'm going to write my thoughts in like 10 minutes and just like get it on paper, and then I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to tell you what I think, and hopefully it helps you guys out a little bit too. So for now, for today, just try to make something. You don't even have to share it or anything like that. Just take the first fun idea that you have and write it down, express it in some kind of form. Like, you don't have to record a video, but you can record a video with your phone if that's what you have. You can draw it out if you are artistically inclined. And you can sing it out if you please. Hopefully you're a better singer than I am, though. There's a very visceral feeling to creating something that you can share, even if you don't. Something very analog about making something, even if it's digital, with your hands. There's something very soothing about it. YouTube and being a video creator is tricky. It feels like there's not enough time to work your job and go to the gym and eat healthy and work your second job and deal with your crazy family, because I'm sure your family's crazy too. And then on top of all of that, you gotta make time to write and plan all your videos, and then you gotta record them, and then you gotta spend a bajillion hours editing them. Like, it literally feels like there's not enough hours in the day. But even with all of those crazy life engagements, I hope that you find 5 or 10 minutes today to just sit down and get your thoughts out somehow. And even better, if you share it, you might find that someone feels the exact same way. I am gonna be late now because I took too much time on my lunch break. Thanks, guys.